physical, mental, and spiritual, which originated in India. Yoga is like a music. The rhythm of the body, the melody of the mind, and the harmony of the soul create the symphony of the.
Today is very important occasion for all of us because we are celebrating International Yoga Day. Yoga, which originated in India almost 5,000 years ago. The first mention of the word yoga comes in our ancient Vedic way. And now it is proud privilege for all of us Indians that yoga is globally accepted because of it.
जगतो शुक्रवार योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचं बलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन
Viewers, open close. Okay, relax. Breathe. Sit up. Okay, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, relax. Dandasana position.
Try to touch the ground and don't bend your knees. Initial position. Slowly up.
बुद्ध हस्तासना exhale पाद हस्तासना inhale अश्व संचलनासना
Slowly up. Try to stretch. Slowly relax. Right leg.
Okay, right leg उठा के आपकी लेफ्ट थाई के ऊपर रखना चाहिए. Good.
Slowly up your hands and jump your hands. Now Padmasana. First left, hold your left leg and hold your right leg. Now in Chin Mudra and close your eyes. Slowly up your hand and turn. Slowly relax. Slowly up and inhale.
First night muscle close.
inhale left
Close your neck muscle. Exhale to the next muscle.
exhale inhale
Exhale right muscle.
Yoga was derived from India thousands of years ago. The first International Day of Yoga was celebrated on 21st June 2015. Yoga for Humanity is the theme set by the United Nations for the celebration of International Yoga Day 2022.
The Surya Namaskara contains a total number of 8 asanas with a sequence of 12 steps for each side, right and left. This International Yoga Day, we are honored the benefits of performing the Surya Namaskara. In the practice of yoga, Surya Namaskar is salutation performed to the sun, offering gradual for the life-giving energy that it provides. The sun represents energy, power, and vitality.
सूर्य नमस्कार, प्रणामासन, हस्तौतनासन, हस्तपादासन, अश्वसंचलनासन, दंडासन, अष्टांग नमस्कार, भुजंगासन, पर्वतासन, अश्वसंचलनासन, हस्तपादासन, हस्त उत्थानासन. It is derived from the pose of the classical Indian dance from Bharatanatyam, which is depicted in the temple statues in the Nataraj temple, Chidambaram. Sarvangasana. It can prevent constipation and other issues related to indigestion. Chakrasana offers a deep stretch for which chest and shoulder muscles as well as hip flexors. Virabhadrasana. This asana strengthens back muscles and hamstrings and helps with improving balance. Ustrasana. Improves posture, strengthens back muscles and stretches the entire front body. Ustrasana improves posture and strengthens back muscles and stretches the entire front body. Shirasasana head stand relieves stress, increases focus and improves blood flow. Virabhadrasana. This asana strengthens back muscles and hamstrings and help with improving balance. Parvatasana. Parvatasana helps develop a proper breathing technique. Bhumasana. Breathing the earth. It helps to strengthen your hamstrings and psoas muscles. Can help improve a person's mental well-being. Regular yoga practice creates mental clarity and calmness, increases body awareness, relieves chronic disease patterns, relaxes the mind, centers attention, and sharpens concentration.
8th International Yoga Day. Yes, it is a great pleasure to have you all in the early morning at 6:30 in the school to celebrate International Yoga Day. Perhaps this is the first time that you are coming to school so early.